Hi everyone, this is the second part of my video presentation. Sorry, I was going more than a 15 minutes, so I had to make a second part and wrap up my whole presentation. I was on this point in the last video. Now I just wanna begin from this part. As you can see, here is my network diagram layout. This is just a small network diagram that I pulled from the packet tracer. And as you can see here, I have different testing plan and then their result. So in first I have basic router and switch configuration, switch port security, DHCP configuration, and I have here ping also, like ping between all the PCs and ping from the Green Bay to Appleton router. And also I have the guest network pin. Here I'm unable to ping between executive and IT because of the ICMP message error. It is due to because I have some restriction of the file to one server to the another due to the security issues. Also, when I come to this one, you can see here there is a lot of DSCP configuration made on different PC of the Appleton side, executive, IT, HR, client A, client B, and also for the guest network. And same for the Green Bay side, various types of DSCP configurations. Now I want to show you my ping command. So here I ping from SR to executive in the Appleton side. Here you can see I'm getting 100% ping result. It means that my ping is getting successful. So here you go, going to the lot of step. You can see a lot of ping command. But I just want to stop uh, at this point. I just want to show you this. I cannot ping between IT and executive that I just explained in my previous statement, that due to the security issues or different kind of ACL that I have assigned for those servers, they are not able to ping for each other. Also here you can see I made a ping between Appleton and Green Bay router, so I got a successful ping message. So yeah, I was able to figure all the ping also, and my testing and issues plan was kind of successful, and I had several issues. The issues is not like a thing I made a wrong configuration, but it is the configuration I made like a restriction of the SS to one server to another for like security purpose. We basically do that so that the more important and confidential server will not lose any privacy of their information to the outsider. This is my all the routers and the switch configuration on the Appleton and as well to the Green Bay sides. Also here you can see I just briefly wrote some bullet point that how to get rid of the ICMP errors message. We can always delete the port security and reapply it to the proper order. We can use a trace route command on PC to identify how much distance the network traffic have covered and some that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is my whole testing and issues plan document. Now coming to the next documentation section, and then I just wanna describe my subnetting that I use for whole entire network diagram. So yeah, here you can see my subnet max. Mm, I think so. Yeah, I have the subnet max also assigned for all the billions for Appleton and Green Bay routers, but I don't know, due to some issues, I'm not able to download completely. See here, you just can see my things. So yeah, this is pretty much. I just need to show up for my video presentation. So hope you like my video presentation, and yeah, I had a good time uh, doing a lot of configuration on the network diagram. Uh, by saying this much, I just want to end my presentation. Thank you.